Color therapy can be accessed in its most potent form through gemstones. Physicists tell us that matter is energy in physical form. So gemstones are no exceptions at all. In fact, formed over eons in the core of the earth, often under conditions of high heat and pressure, gemstones are pure consolidation of minerals and embody immense concentrations of energy which can deeply heal and nourish the human form. So, if you have the right stone, in the right color, the right weight and the right shape, what you have in your hand is a powerful therapeutic tool.
Three and a half years ago, work-wise it was all going fine. However, on the personal front, things were not fine at all. My health was deteriorating, the stress levels were going high, and also I was going through a relationship in my life. And it wasn't working at all. And I had had breakups also earlier. That was the time I thought and decided to stop here, think, analyze about what's going on in my life.
Okay.
And one of my colleagues referred Dr. Preeti Kapoor, and I showed my horoscope to her, and she first checked whether what's there in the chart is going on in my life as well or not. So she asked me, you've had a lot of stress at work. I said yes. So you're going through some stomach ailments. I said yes, and for a long time. And you're going through some lower back. This was the most hitting problem that was troubling me for years and years. So she said yeah, and headaches were like bad for me. I said yes. So do you think everything is there in the chart? I mean, you can see it. She said yes.
Really?
There. I said okay. If this is something you've been able to find out, then what do you suggest? What I can do? Is there any remedy? And the first thing she said, I still carry that prescription where she wrote, you need to wear a stone. So she recommended emerald, and I did that. I mean, I went ahead. I bought an emerald. I wore with all the ritualistic way that is done. And within 3 months of time, healing was happening for me holistically.
What gemstone goes with which color and how does it work?
There are 7 planets, basically represent 7 colors, and the gemstones are also referred with respect to these planets, and these planets basically determine as to what color gemstones should be used by a person. If we suppose start with Jupiter. Jupiter is a yellow colored planet, and a yellow color stone, topaz, is used for the healing of any disease which could be due to Jupiter. So those who have liver problem, we make them wear this particular stone. Blue color basically is referred to Saturn. Those who have good Saturn in their horoscope and they wear blue sapphire, they can really do well in life. In the same way, we have green colored stones, like we have peridots, emeralds.
What are the healing properties of these stones?
Now, these green colored stones basically are used to heal Mercury in the chart. Right?
Okay.
Mercury basically would represent the nervous system, the concentration, the imagination, basically the power to learn. Now, red is again the color of sun, and the gemstone basically which is used for sun is ruby. If one uses a lot of ruby, then you can get into a temper very fast, and one can have skin problems or boils. So do you know which gemstone would emit the color orange? Would you like to guess?
Citrine?
No, you would be surprised to know that pearl emits orange color.
Really?
Orange would lessen the depression and make a person more joyful.
Ancient Indian Vedic texts are full of descriptions and prescriptions of gemstones and their uses. Modern day studies can be found in both astrological and Ayurvedic medical writings. But it was the healing aspect of these stones and their abilities to relieve the patient of their physical and psychological illnesses that really captured my interest today. And I hope it did the same for you.